Alrighty guys, it's Chris, Oz Canopies of 4x4 here. We've got a brand new, lovely blue, if I do say so myself, BT50 in today that it's gonna get a manual roller shutter fitted on it. Pretty straightforward job. We're gonna go ahead, we'll go through the assembly of the roller, we'll go through the fitment of the roller, and we'll get right into it. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of this roller shutter on this lovely BT50. The color is definitely striking, especially in this direct sunlight. We'll go through the operation of the roller very quickly. To open it, you do pull first, press the button. Once you press the unlock button, it'll roll all the way forward. If you're gonna want it to go all the way, there's a knob underneath this handle that acts as a controller that can allow you to stop it halfway as well. You can see all the water over the roller shutter at the moment. Dan, show them all the water over the roller at the moment. And that's because we have water tested this one. All of our roller shutters are water tested before they go. We want to make sure that they are as watertight as they can be for our customers. Anyway, if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Currently on sale. Black Friday sale has to end 8th December. By the time this video goes up, it's probably done, but it's still a great price. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we will see you guys on the next one.